Tacoma, Washington, a vibrant hub of glass art, museums, and underwater marine life. The Museum of Glass, a shimmering center of creativity. At the heart of Tacoma's cultural scene is the Museum of Glass, a premier contemporary art museum dedicated to glass and glassmaking. Located downtown along the waterfront, this museum is renowned for its dynamic exhibitions and live glass-blowing demonstrations that captivate visitors of all ages. The Museum of Glass offers unique experiences where guests can even try their hand at making glass art, making it a true maker's space and a beacon for creativity on the West Coast. The museum's hot shop and expert team are considered among the finest in the world, providing rare public access to the mesmerizing process of transforming molten glass into stunning works of art. The collection chronicles the development of modern and contemporary glass, celebrating both local and international artists, Tacoma Art Museum and the Museum District. Complementing the Museum of Glass is the Tacoma Art Museum, which serves the diverse communities of the Northwest through its rich collection, rotating exhibitions, and educational programs. The museum highlights regional artists and offers a broad spectrum of art that reflects the cultural fabric of the area. Tacoma's Museum District, where these institutions are clustered, also includes other cultural gems like the Foss Waterway Seaport, housed in a historic waterfront warehouse. This district is a vibrant cultural corridor where visitors can immerse themselves in art, history, and maritime heritage, all within walking distance. The Bridge of Glass, a radiant public art landmark. One of Tacoma's most iconic outdoor attractions is the Bridge of Glass, an artistic pedestrian bridge adorned with thousands of colorful glass pieces. Designed by world-famous glass artist Dale Chihuly, a Tacoma native, the bridge glows with sunlight by day and artistic illumination by night, creating a romantic and visually stunning experience. This landmark celebrates Tacoma's deep connection to glass art and its creative spirit. Underwater marine life and waterfront exploration. Tacoma's location on the Puget Sound waterfront offers rich opportunities to explore marine life and coastal ecosystems. The nearby Foss Waterway Seaport Museum connects visitors to the maritime history of the region, showcasing the relationship between the city and its waters. While Tacoma itself is more known for its cultural and artistic offerings, the surrounding Puget Sound is a vibrant habitat teeming with marine species, making the area a gateway for underwater exploration and appreciation of marine biodiversity. Why Tacoma shines. Tacoma's blend of world-class glass art, diverse museums, and waterfront heritage creates a unique cultural tapestry. Whether you're marveling at live glassblowing, strolling across the glowing Bridge of Glass, or exploring maritime history, Tacoma offers a rich and engaging experience that celebrates creativity and nature alike.